for comb to fix my hair. D is for dressing with love and care. E is for eggs that I like to eat. F is for feet dancing to the beat. G is for good morning, shout hooray. H is for happy every day. I is for ice water, fresh and cool. J is for jumping before school. K is for kisses from mom and dad. L is for laughing, feeling glad. M is for milk in my favorite mug. N is for nice warm morning hug. O is for open the window wide. P is for playtime outside. Q is for quick as I tie my shoe. R is for ready for something new. S is for smile so big and bright. T is for tea, all clean and white. U is for up and out we go. V is for very happy, you know. W is for wave to everyone. X, Y, Z, the day's begun. Now we